In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create business portfolio in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll have a clean, centralized workspace to manage your pages, ad accounts, and team access in one secure place. Start by opening your browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. From the results, click the official Meta link to Business Suite. Confirm the domain is authentic before you proceed. This helps you avoid phishing pages and ensures you're working inside Meta's environment. If you're not signed in, log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Use the account that manages your business presence. You may need admin permissions to create and configure a portfolio. Once you're inside Business Suite, look toward the top left corner of the screen. Just above Home, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists your business assets. Click that menu, and from the list that appears, select Create a Business Portfolio. This creates the central hub where your pages, ad accounts, and other assets will live and be managed together. You'll be asked to name the portfolio. Enter a name that exactly matches your public business name, because this is what will be visible across Meta. Keep it consistent with your website and other profiles to build trust and make it easy for partners and customers to recognize you. Avoid special characters or internal codes to keep things professional and clear. After creating the portfolio, head into Settings. You'll find Settings in the left-hand navigation. This is where you configure everything that sits inside the portfolio, from assets to permissions. Open the Accounts section. Here, you can add existing or new assets, including Facebook pages, ad accounts, business asset groups, apps, Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts, and Threads accounts. Only add assets you own or have explicit permission to manage. If you're connecting an existing page or ad account, double-check that you're choosing Add rather than Create to avoid accidental duplicates that can cause confusion later. Next, go to Users, then choose People. This is where you manage who can work inside the portfolio. Select Invite People to add team members and grant access. Enter their work email addresses, choose the appropriate level of access, and select only the assets they need to do their jobs. Grant the least privilege necessary and review these permissions regularly to keep your setup secure and organized. That's it. You've created a business portfolio, named it properly, organized your assets under accounts, and invited the right people with the right access. With this structure in place, you're ready to manage your brand consistently across Meta and run campaigns with clear, centralized control.